Good morning and welcome back to the allotment. My name's Martin and these are my allotments. I'll just spin you around. I've been away for the week at work, so it's the first time I've been down this week. Normally I do come down at night, you know, on the way home. But plan is today I'm going to take these covers off the dahlias. Start getting some air, some light to them now. I mean, they all come up last year, but it's always a chance you take. I'm going to do some chrysanthemum cuttings today. There's a few in here that could do with taking some cuttings with, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take some cuttings of them. I think there's about 4 to now I can take cuttings off. So I'm going to do them. I'll just show you around the plot. We had a lot of rain last night, so it's really wet. I've got to go back on site on Monday, but I'm coming back at weekend, so it's not too bad. It's not cold out, it's quite nice. That's the giant cabbage from my own saved seeds. I'm just going to take that back to seed. It was just a trial with that one. The leeks, they're the King Charles leeks. They're normal cauliflowers. Giant kohlrabi. Giant onions. The Peter Glazebrook onions. They're the giant cabbage. These ones are Cornish giants. I can remember the name now. I couldn't remember the name before. They're my own saved seeds. The condor, potatoes. I've got quite a lot of things coming up at home, so I'll have to show you that later. I've got some more onions in here. The lupins are coming up that we sowed the other week, which is good. I need to start picking these carrots out. But no, everyone seems to be busy in here. Right, I think I'm going to uncover these beds and show you what they're like afterwards. I bought another selfie stick because I was using the gimbal, but sometimes it's has a mind of its own, and because it's white, it tends to get mucky. I mean, it's still alright. I mean, if I'm just walking around in it, I'm not doing it. I mean, it's alright, but that's the gimbal. But yeah, it does get mucky. So I've just bought a normal selfie stick with a stand. It'd be handy when I've just put you on the table and that. So yeah, I'm going to take them covers off and I'll show you what they're like afterwards. See you in a bit. Right, I've undercovered these 2 beds. You can see where the dahlias are because I've barked over the top of them. So there's quite a few. Let's see if they come back. A bit of light on them and a bit of warmth now. See if they come back, and I'll take some cuttings from them. I will tidy this bed up. Yeah, see if they Yeah, they just need some light on, because like I say, they've been covered since before Christmas. This bed wants tidying up anyway, so I'll get that. I will get that done. So that's that done. I'll go and get the chrysanthemums. Start taking some cuttings. I'll get the camera set up. See you in a bit. Right, this chrysanthemum's called Harry G. It's a Japanese chrysanthemum. So I'm just gonna do some cuttings of this. You just take it just under a leaf joint, and I'll take these bottom leaves off. I have got some rooting powder. Last time I didn't use it, but I'll use it this time while I've got it. Then I'm just gonna put this on the edge of the pot. I'll do a couple of these. Put that round there so you can see. A couple more. The next train that comes in a bit, because obviously if anyone don't know, my allotment's next to the steam train. I'll show you the actual steam train again. These are dead easy to take cuttings. These actually chrysanthemums are actually from Ivor Mace. He does have a website, so if you do want to Google his website, Harry G. It's one lot done. This one's actually called William Sidney. And that's the cutting. I had these last year, but with being away I never really looked after them, so obviously these ones that I've got, I'm going to take cuttings of this plant, and then the cuttings I'll look after. William Sidney. this next one is actually called Ivor Mace, so obviously this one's what he named himself. Take the bottom leaves off. That's the cutting. I should be just on site just for next week. And then I'll be back. But anyway, I don't actually mind, because I'm not actually doing much in the week at the minute. I mean, there will be a lot of potting up to do soon. It was so cold in the factory last week, I feel like I'm getting a cold. Ivor Mace. These grow really big. And what you do with these Japanese, all the side shoots you just take off. You only have one stem. So really, I mean, all the side shoots, I normally pot up. So you end up with loads of plants. I've lost it, there's no, I can't remember what this one's called. But I will find out, because I've only got to go on his website once this is flowered. I think I bought, I don't know, I bought 10 of him last year. Like I say, with being away, I didn't look after them, because, well, like I say, you're not supposed to have any side shoots. That's another one. But like, I keep these for like these plants for cuttings, and then all the new ones I'll grow and look after them ones this year, and I'll show you what they're like as they grow. Yeah, we just need some warm weather now. I can't believe we're getting to the end of February. Bit of warm weather and you get loads of rain. Let's see if we can find another one. And nice to get 4 out of them. There's another one. I have got some more, but like I said, they've just started to come back, so they're a bit too small to actually take cuttings off at the minute. I just put a label as a question mark because I'm not sure what this one is. Give them a water. And see how many weeks they take to get some roots germinate. Well, that's that. Yeah, that's that done. I can hear the train now. I think the next one, I'll take you to the station and show you around the station. Right, let's just turn it up, right. Right, I'll see what else is next. I'll see you in a bit. Right, I'm going to take some penstemon cuttings. I'll spin you around, show you there's loads of cuttings on here. And it's dead easy to do. You just snip a bit off there, like that, as much as that. So I'll probably do about, I don't know, 10 cuttings. I'll show you the cuttings when I've done them. See you in a bit. Right, these are the cuttings. I've done 10 cuttings, the penstemons. I'm just going to take the couple of bottom leaves off. Put it in some rooting powder and then just pop it in there, in the compost. I do like free plants. As soon as the dahlias come up, I'll be taking cuttings of the dahlias. If anyone's seen the little video I did of the brochure, they are the best place to get dahlias. They're so well packed, and they're not too bad really. I think most at £4.95 for a mini plant. And obviously, when you get them, you pop them on. Oh, I mean, this is what as soon as they reach about 4 inches high, I take the tops off. I actually plant that top and I treat it as a cutting. And then obviously you grow on until they're big enough to actually go in the ground. I mean, I've actually I've penciled in 14 that I found, but they're all nice. And they will probably go, I'm going to order them, and they'll probably go down the other allotment that I put the bark on, because they had some on there last time. So they'll probably go there. I mean, if you can get free plants, it's good. The chrysanthemums I've just put in the Vitapod down here. Just take the couple of bottom leaves off. Give them a quick water. And that's your penstemon cuttings done. Right, I think there's not a lot else to do down here today, with the weather being not very good. When I nip home, I'll show you all the all the seeds that have come up. I'll show you all them. I'm just going to put this in the Vitapod. But yeah, it's just a bit wet at the minute. I do need to carry on burning because we've only got till, I don't know about everyone else on everyone's allotment, but we've got till, I think it's end of March to actually burn. That's that done. I'll spin you around. Yeah, that's the penstemon. It is big. It did need doing. I could get another 10 off that. I'm not sure whether he's got another one round here. I think that might be it. I do need to dig this out because I'm going to plant all here. And I think that might be another one actually. Yeah, I do like taking the cuttings. Right, I think that'd be, call it a day until I get back home and I'll show you what's in the greenhouse. It's only a quick video today. With the weather being a bit poor, I do need to sort out the timber here, because this frame is going back up. Yeah, this frame will be going back up. The fence will be going back up as well. I need to sort these beds out, get some new bark on it. Wonder if these lupins are coming back. Oh, they are. A couple of them are anyway, but that one is. Yeah, I need to tidy these up. Is that one coming up? Yeah, it looks like it's coming up. I'll get these tidied up because these are quite nice ones. These are yeah, that's that one. Yeah, these are West Country lupins. So these were expensive. These, I think I paid £10 for each one. Whether many more come up, I don't know. Well, that one's certainly coming up. Can see if I can take some cuttings of them when they get a bit bigger. Dig this bed over. I'm waiting for it to be a bit more dry so I can rotate these beds. But it's just a bit too wet at the minute. I need to finish that burning off. I need to order the cover for that. Because I'm going to plant in there. Yeah, I'm ahead of last year. I mean, the beds are pretty ready to go, really. I need to get that shed up. I need somewhere to sit. At the minute, I'm sitting in the greenhouse, so I do need to get that shed up and make that into. I think I've got a chair from the other allotment that can go in there. But yeah, it's not looking too bad. I mean, dig over the beds, and yeah, it'll be already new bark down these little paths. Right, I'll see you in a bit and show you what I've got at home. See you in a bit. Oh, before I go, this is the steam train station next to me. It's a shame there's not one in it at the minute. I don't actually know how long they'll take to come back. It's quite nice in the summer. I think on the next bank holiday in May, they do have a World War II day where everyone gets dressed up. I'll have to video that. There is people waiting, so I don't know how long the actual next train will be here. I think they come quite regular, actually. I've never been on it. It's just nice to hear from the allotment. I don't think there's many actually allotments that got this next door to them. It's just a nice thing to have. We're not far from the entrance now, so I'll go on and just show you around the actual station. I've actually got a tea room here and buffet, which is quite nice. Last time I videoed this was just before New Year's Eve. Behind there is the golf course. I always seem to find a few golf balls on the allotment. Yeah, there's the office, booking office. I'll wait 10 minutes, see if there's a train coming. Oh, and that was good timing. There it is, just pulling in. That was really good timing, that was. That's the steam train next to the spot. Well, I'm going to head back now. I'll see you in a bit. Just walking back to the allotment. Right, I'm going to open the gate. I'll see you when I get home. See you in a bit. Right, I'm back at home in the greenhouse. I'll just show you what's growing. I've got the onions, purple rain, angel trumpets, marigolds. They're doing all right. Courgettes. These are the pansies. The gazanias. We've got petunia, shake raspberry, tomatoes, giganto. We've got cucumbers, mini munch. They all look good. Cucumbers, Carmen. Tomato, cherry falls. Tomato Alicante. We've got some giant kohlrabi. Some more marigolds. African buttercream. Purple tower petunias. And what we've got in the Vitapod. We've got some beef tomatoes from Tesco that I did the other week. They're coming up, which is good. Red peppers that I did from Tesco. They're coming up. You got a giant tomato, a giant watermelon, 2 more giant watermelon, Megadon tomato. These are my own saved Scotch bonnets. There's quite a lot coming up. On this side you've got giant beetroot, small giant cantaloupe, giant cucumber, more giant cucumbers. You got the anthuriums, another giant beetroot there, tomato, don't know what that one is. What looks that one? I think that's a leek. That's another giant tomato. So you've got quite a bit coming up. So the watermelons are up, which is good. Giant cauliflower there. That's good. Some of these can come out because I don't want them to get too leggy. So yeah, that's what I've got in the greenhouse. Obviously got some leeks there. These are the angel trumpets in here. That are from last year. But yeah, that's what's growing at the minute. I'll see what the weather's like tomorrow if I go down, because it's not great weather tomorrow. It's forecast rain, so we'll see. If not, I'll probably be potting in here, taking stuff out. Right, that's it for Saturday. If I don't do anything tomorrow, I'll probably be back down the allotment next Saturday. Right, thanks for subscribing and watching the videos and liking them. And I'll probably see you either tomorrow or next week. See you in a bit.